Hello everyone, Bill Shires with StoneAge Water Blast Tools, and I'm excited to talk to you about a new product that we're introducing here for 2021. It's called the Universal Camera, and why this is so important is that automated equipment like our flex lancing machines and other manufacturers' equipment in the market have done a fantastic job at removing the operator from the hazards of high pressure water blasting. Guys were forced to be really close to the operating equipment. Now we can be up to 15, 20 feet away. But the downside to that is that you can't see the work that you're doing. So StoneAge is the first manufacturer to offer what's called the universal camera system that I showed you here. We have a monitor system, we have the camera, we have a variety of different mounting options, and then we have a power pack here. All of this comes in its own carrying case, and it can be adapted and modified for both US and international electric power supplies, and it can be adapted to all kinds of different automated equipment. To make our universal camera system adaptable to different situations, we have this. We're going to nickname it the lobster claw. But all it is, it's a very familiar device that camera operators are familiar with, but you have attachment points that can allow you to attach and pivot the camera to different angles. And it's just very versatile, it's lightweight, very durable. And what I have behind me here is our ABX 3L system. But you can see with this lobster claw here, I can attach it on our guide tube assembly, I can attach it to an air motor, I can attach it to all different places here very easily without any tools, and then I just need to pivot my camera on two different axes here to then see the work being done. So you could see and imagine quite easily that we could mount this to our surface cleaning striker units. We have our 3L here, we could also attach it to our ABX 2L. We also have our Pro Drive systems, our Pro DBP and our pipe cleaning systems. This attachment here allows you to quickly set up and adapt during your operation to just about any application in the market. So think about your tank cleaning jobs, your tube cleaning jobs, all this type of work where your operators are having trouble seeing what the work is being done. We now have it all supplied in one kit for you, available here in January of 2021.